The severe thunderstorm was located near Fredericksburg, or 8 miles northwest of Allentown, moving at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and downside hail. Radar indicated. Impact. Damage decreased in power lines. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Bergen County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. in Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania.